Alright, now my package is here. Let's go unbox it. I made room on my desk. Okay. I made as much room as possible. Okay. Alright. So here we have the Xbox S series. Okay, it was within my budget for the moment. Decided to get this. Okay. Alright. Okay, so the controller and the HDMI cord. Here's the console itself. So it's small, so it can fit right here. It can fit right there. Okay, this is the power cord, HDMI cord. So I'm thinking going forward, I'm gonna buy Train Sim on my Xbox, so I can experience the. And since I record my gameplay with my Elgato, I'm gonna plug into my Elgato. Okay. Then here's the power cord. And just plug it in. Yeah, this cord is shorter than on my PS4. Okay, so I'll plug the PS4 for now. I'm not playing it. Okay. Yep. Here's my monitor. I bought a second monitor. So I don't know if I I don't know if I could connect this to my PC if I wanted to game on PC, because maybe I can, if I want to connect to my PC, I can just use a Type-C cord if I want to connect to my PC. Alright. Now I just need to figure out how to get the controller on. Oh, okay. I had to push the Xbox button. Like I said, it's my first time owning an Xbox. Oh, okay, there we go. We're starting it up. Okay, so I have to push the Xbox button to turn it on. Just like on the PlayStation, I got to press the PlayStation button. Alright, I got it. I'm a proud owner of an Xbox. Okay, gotta set it up on my laptop is always dying. This is why I want to. And I have set up my Xbox. And I signed up for Game Pass. So I am now a proud owner of an Xbox. And going forward, I'm probably going to purchase Train Sim World on the Xbox so I can experience the next gen console graphics. Yep, it's going to be fun. I'm glad you enjoyed the unboxing. So leave a like and leave a comment for more. And I'll catch you.